MyPie Educational Services.
Learners, welcome again to another episode of our learning. I am Mr. Salam, your mathematics tutor. In our last class, we solved a problem on word problems on fractions. So in this video, we're going to look at another question on word problems on fraction. So word problems on fraction. So this will be part 2. So get your writing materials and let's get started. Let's take a look at example 2. The question here says, Ado received 3 out of 5 of a sum of money. Nelly received 1 out of 3 of the remainder, while Austin took the rest. If Austin's share is greater than Nelly's share by 3,000 naira, how much did Ado receive? Now let's analyze the question together. Solution. Now, from the question, I don't know how much was shared. So let the amount shared, let the amount shared be Y naira, since I don't know. So what does that mean? It means Ade received from the question. So Ade received 3 out of 5 of a sum of money. So that will be Ade is 3 out of 5 of the sum of Y. That will give us 3 out of 5 times Y. So which is the same thing as 3Y out of 5. So from the question, if Ade received 3 out of 5 of the money, then Nelly received 1 out of 3 of the remainder. So let me quickly find what the remainder is. If Ade received 3 out of 5, the remainder would be 2Y out of 5, which means the money is divided into 5 parts, and Ade has taken 3 parts, so the remainder will be 2 parts out of the 5 parts. So then Nelly received 1 out of 3 of this remainder of 2Y out of 5. So which means Nelly will receive 1 out of 3 times 2Y out of 5. And that will give us 2Y out of 15. Now the total fraction received by Ade and Nelly, so Ade plus Nelly will give us 3Y out of 5 plus 2Y out of 15. So here the LCM will be 15. So we have 15 divided by 5, that will be 3. 3 times 3Y will be 9Y, plus 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times 2Y will be 2Y, and that will give us 11Y out of 15. So Austin's fraction will now be the remainder. So Austin will receive 4Y out of 15. So now let's move on to the next one. The next question now says that if Austin's share is greater than Nelly's share by this. So let's analyze that. So Austin's share, which is 4Y out of 15, is greater than, that is minus, is greater than Nelly's share. From the question, Nelly's share is 2Y out of 15. So I will have 2Y out of 15, and this is greater by 3,000. Then when you solve the fractions here, these are like fractions. We have 15, then 4Y minus 2Y equals to 3,000. And 4Y minus 2Y will give you 2Y out of 15 equals to 3,000. So let's find the value of y. First, let's multiply both sides by 15 by 15. So 15 will cancel out 15 here. So finally, we have 2y equals to 3,000 multiplied by 15. Then to find the value of y, we divide both sides by 2 by 2. So when you put this on your calculator, so the value of y becomes 22,500. So that is the total amount shared. So now the question says that how much did Ade receive? Don't forget, Ade received 3y out of 5. So Ade's share is 3 out of 5y. So which is the same thing as 3 out of 5 multiplied by 22,500. And when you put this on your calculator, you should have 13,500. So that is the amount Ade received. Thank you. You can go through the video again for proper understanding. See you again in another learning. Bye.